Wow. New Discovery Resto. Dahil I'm 25 years here in Saudi. Si Mrs. How many years now? 14 years. That's why we love Saudi food now. We love like this. Ito, my cheese. Sarap. Sarap siya. French fries. New discovered the resto near from our house. Sa tagal na namin dito, ngayon lang kami pumunta. Paborito namin na Arabic food. Ayan. Enjoy na enjoy.
Baka mabayaran natin yung tita.
Can you video me? It's nice. I like my outfit today. I have pink tattoo. Oh, Faisal, nandito ka na.
Bakit bigyan kami ng free? Ganyan? Oo. Kami free. Bigyan niya?
Bigyan, video ka.
Hello.
Oo.
Yun na yung water mo.